Alright guys, welcome back to another shark video. It's been a while since I did a video, but here is the Apex Shark Vacuum. So it's actually been holding up pretty good overall. As you can see, it's still in one piece, but there has been a few things that are kind of getting a little bit out of hand. And one of them is just the play in this handle. And I don't know if I can show you this, but it's actually getting pretty bad, where it's just moving around the whole thing. So anyways, as you can see, just me doing this, how much play that has. It's a lot, but everything else has been holding up and working still. All the buttons are fine here. I mean, this handle's peeling, but that's expectable. This happened on the other vacuum too. And the filter is actually pretty clogged. It needs to be cleaned out. But it's all been fine. As you can tell, it's really dusty in there. Should definitely clean that up, so it's time for a little bit of maintenance here. Let's check out what's going on with this guy down here. Yep, he's getting clogged too. So yeah, it's been getting a little dirty. So this thing has been working hard. The main thing for today is we are actually going to be looking at this bottom brushroll here. I'm actually pretty curious of how my wheel held up. I haven't looked at this vacuum for almost a month. So let's see how it held up. Here's the original wheel. It's still rolling fine. And my wheel is still there. But it is definitely worn out. Look at that thing. It is actually really worn out. Look at that. I don't know if you guys remembered, because in the beginning it had like ridges. Because this is a Hot Wheel that I glued on to that thing. So surprisingly, it survived this long and it's still going. But it looks like it's about to lose it though. Because you can see there's some cracks here. But surprisingly, it actually did. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, I just cracked it. So yeah, it's on its last leg. But it's amazing that it even lasted this long. Let's take a peek under here. I got some trash stuck in there. Yeah, roller's been doing okay. This roller has been doing fine also. There's no damage, seems like. That's always clogging right there, as you can see. So, I mean, just the typical usual stuff. Alright guys, so the reason for this video, or one of the reasons, is to give a little update on this thing, and to also show you guys that finally the new head came in for the Shark. So it's been, I don't know, it's probably been over a month ever since we talked to Shark, and finally we have the package here. But let's open this box and see what they sent us. So this was covered under warranty, and we definitely appreciate Shark giving us a new head, because this is one of the parts of the vacuum that works the hardest. It appears to be brand new, not like refurbished. But let's take a look and see. Yep, definitely looks brand new. And look at those wheels, guys. Felt. They have felt on them. Man, I hope these will survive a little bit longer than the ones we had on there. So this thing came in right on time. When this thing was right about to give up, that wheel was just on its last leg. It was already crumbling apart. So finally the new one came in. And let's see if there's any differences between this thing and the old one. So we got some stickers here that need to peel, I guess. I guess this is just for information. Saying something about make sure the lid is closed firmly before using it. Alright, it's nice to have a brand new cover here. I think it looks different a little bit. Or maybe not. No, I guess it's the same. Now, one of the things that I'm noticing right away, the difference, is actually this color of the roller is a little bit darker than this. As you can see, darker, lighter. So I don't know if that has anything to do with, you know, different kind. I think they look exactly the same. Just the color's a little different, a little off. That's probably just manufacturing. Okay, one of the things I'm noticing also is this thing's a little bit bigger than this. It must be because this is worn out. And you can see the color has kind of changed on it from all this use. Probably getting wet and whatnot else. Anyways, everything else looks pretty much the same. I don't know, the tolerances on these, on at least our Apex, is just not as good as the other vacuums we used to have. There's a lot more wobble and everything. So this new one seems to be very tidy. Of course, this one's worn out, but all right. Oh yeah, I can definitely tell that it's definitely more tighter. So that's good already. So at least we're not going to have as much wobble going on with this newer one. Alright, let's put the roller black in. Clip the lid back on. And there we go. I guess let's fire it up and see if it runs. Alright, seems to work great. Hopefully we're going to have a lot better pickup now with all this new stuff. So I'm noticing that this is definitely more poofier, so I'll probably do a little better again on the floors. Alright guys, so I think that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to make this quick update on the Shark Apex and the new head that we got finally. So hopefully this will last for another 3-4 months, maybe more hopefully. And I think from there we're just going to have to upgrade the whole thing or get a new vacuum. Yeah, so if you're still thinking about getting this vacuum, we absolutely love them and still recommend the Shark Apex. So, I mean, the amount of use we put in these would be equivalent to, you know, 2-3 years, maybe even 4 of use at home. So, I think anybody that gets these will be happy. The suction and the pickup on that brush is excellent, especially for hardwood surfaces. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. Check out our other Shark videos on this channel, and stay tuned for more updates and more videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.